Hello and welcome. In today's world, tracking your energy consumption is not just about saving a few euros anymore. With regulations constantly evolving and a growing global focus on sustainability, understanding and managing your power usage has become absolutely crucial. So today, we are going to show you how we are monitoring energy at our own AVL buildings and how the customer can do it as well with our AVL tool, EMOS. So please stick around as we dive into this timely topic. We are now in front of the AVL battery lab in Graz. We have batteries here being charged and discharged by e-storages inside climatic chambers. In addition to the test cell automation system, we can see here on the screen that we are also connected to AVL EMOS. EMOS is an AVL developed tool specifically designed for monitoring energy at all levels of a technical center. The system provides a comprehensive overview of how the tech center is performing, energy and power-wise. The information can be as high level or as detailed as you require, allowing you to even check individual components. EMOS has also been installed at various customers' technical centers, addressing a key question many of them had. How much am I paying in electricity per test? Thanks to the connection to the automation system, EMOS can answer questions like that, directly linking energy cost with operational parameters. What EMOS does is collect information from different power meters and combine it together with data from the test cell automation systems. It then processes all this information into intuitive dashboards so you can easily understand how energy is being used and identify areas for improvement. So, in summary, the monitoring part of the tool helps you truly understand how the facility operates. That is a crucial first step for any optimization process, as defined, for example, by the following ISO norm. It also gives us the actual usage of the central utilities, which is key for future lab upgrades. But EMOS isn't just about monitoring. It also offers powerful load management capabilities. This is essential when you need to reduce peak consumption, limit regeneration, or ensure that you don't overload the building transformers. So, now we know what EMOS can do, and we have seen how it's implemented here in our AVL battery lab. But we know that here in Graz we have many other AVL buildings. So what is the next step then? Well, we're currently creating a complete overview of the AVL infrastructure in Graz. This includes not only electrical transformers, but also the consumption of other energy sources like fuel. But why is energy efficiency so important?
Energy efficiency is one of the key points in our sustainability strategy, in our products, but of course also regarding our buildings. AVL's ambition is to achieve net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2039, subject to technical and structural developments. The implementation of this ambition is being gradually specified. AVL is currently working on defining clear milestones and action plans. With EMOS, we can monitor and analyze the energy flows we are having within our premises. And transparency of your usage is the basic information for any improvement. Only if you know where your energy is flowing, you can properly manage it and make sure that your improvements are placed on the right spots. EMOS can be easily integrated in any existing system and is very flexible. It will be used to cover needs from, for example, ISO 50001 or ESG reporting. Very important is the high data quality that we combine with the multiple analyzing possibilities giving us an on-time picture of the current situation. The effective usage of EMOS is not depending on the size of the premise or the location you're in. We are starting to implement it globally with our affiliates all around the world with all kinds of sizes of premises. The advantages are the overview of our premises and the possibilities to remotely support our colleagues from the headquarters. So we can increase the transparency, the efficiency and the comparability of our energy consumption globally and in our headquarters, and continue working on a greener mobility.
So, as we were discussing with Mr. Glavar, at AVL, as a global company, we have many tech centers and buildings worldwide. So it makes sense to get a complete picture of AVL's global consumption in order to compare how we are doing and in order to keep improving towards a more efficient future.